Welcome back to the 2-Minute Mechanic. We have talked about how the engine creates power through explosions, but explosions create massive heat. If we didn't manage that heat, your metal engine block would literally melt into a solid lump in minutes. That is why we need the cooling system. The cooling system is like the blood circulatory system of your car, but instead of blood, it pumps a liquid called coolant. This liquid flows through special channels inside the engine block, right next to the hot cylinders, absorbing the heat like a sponge absorbs water. Once the coolant is boiling hot, it needs to get rid of that heat. It travels out of the engine and into the radiator at the front of the car. The radiator is essentially a giant metal grate with thousands of tiny fins. As air hits the front of your car while you drive, it cools the liquid down before sending it back into the engine to start the cycle again. There is a small but critical gatekeeper in this system called the thermostat. When you first start your car on a cold morning, you want the engine to warm up quickly. The thermostat stays closed, trapping the coolant inside the engine until it reaches the perfect operating temperature. Only then does it open up to let the liquid flow to the radiator. Here is the most important safety tip you will ever learn about cars. Never, under any circumstances, open the radiator cap while the engine is hot. The system is under extreme pressure, like a shaken soda can, but filled with boiling acid. If you open that cap while it is hot, the pressure release will cause the scalding liquid to erupt like a geyser, causing severe burns instantly. Always wait at least an hour for the engine to cool down before you even touch that cap. Also, pay attention to the color of your coolant. It comes in pink, green, orange, or blue, and they are different chemical formulas. Never mix different colors together, or they can turn into a thick gel that clogs your system. Join me tomorrow for episode 8, where we feed the beast with the fuel system.